Where stemming removes the last few characters of a word, lemmatization stems the word to a more meaningful base form and ensures it does not lose its meaning. Lemmatization works more intelligently, referencing a predefined dictionary containing the context of the word and uses this when diminishing the word to its base form. This means we're often left with more meaningful words, but it does mean that we may be left with more words in our dataset. So let's try out lemmatization on our connect tokens, our learn tokens, and our likes tokens. To get started, we'll need to use nltk.download wordnet. And then from nltk.stem, we can import the WordNet lemmatizer. We can then create our lemmatizer using WordNet lemmatizer with some empty brackets next to it. Let's then run our for loops again, taking our connect tokens, printing them out, and then lemmatizing them and printing the results. So you can see here when we've completed our stemming, all these connect tokens were stemmed down to the word connect, whereas here, all the words have been left as they are. They've not been reduced down to one single word. This is good because it contains a lot more of the meaning of the words, but like I said, it does mean we're going to be left with a much larger data set because we're not reducing all these words down into a single token. Let's try this again with our learn tokens. And again, you can see here, the only thing that's really been reduced down is the word learners, which has been reduced to learner. Everything else has been left as it is. And finally, for our likes tokens, we can see here the difference of where the word worse has been reduced down to worse, whereas when we'd done our stemming, it was reduced down to WORS. So it does mean that a lot of the words are going to be left as meaningful words that we recognise.